Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you a quick DIY. You can cover your breast cup with the fabric that you want to use for your bodice. This is how you do it. I measured 6 all round, so I was just using my ruler and my pins because it's white, so I don't want to make any markers on it, so I'll cut. This is 6 all round, and then once I'm done cutting, I'm just gonna show you how round the shape is. Yeah, so you can probably use anything to cut. You don't always have to use tape measure. So after now, this is the middle. So I'll take 1 inch on the side. It will meet on the center, and then also this side I'll take 1 inch, but it will meet on the center. I want to cut this part so that it should give us that curvy look, so that when we put our breast cup, as you can see, our breast cup are not straight, they are curved. So the reason why we are doing this cutting of 1 inch is because we want to make sure that it's curved and it sits nicely, it relaxes. Like you can see here, I have sewn the two pieces together. Now I'm attaching our breast cap, so I just want to show you quickly. Just make sure you sew close to the edge as possible. Yeah, this shouldn't take you too long to do. It's probably under 5 minutes you should be done doing this. Yeah, but then my breast cup, the one that I'm using, is underwired. It has a wire under. I'm not using the one that doesn't have a wire, so I'll take half an inch way under the wire, so that it should give some space and flexibility as well. So this is how you do it. I'm done here, so let me just show you. After we're done, I'll just take off all the pins, and I'll cut where I'll just take off the pins, and then I'll cut. I'll show you the final look. This is probably smart. It's very smart, I tell you. Yeah, so this is it. Let me just cut it so that you should be able to see. Give a smart look to your breast caps. Don't be too lazy to do this thing. You can actually do this thing within 5 minutes because it doesn't take long. Can you see the way I'm making it? It's so easy. It's one of the easiest things that you can just do quick. A quick one. You just do a quick one. It doesn't have to take you the whole day trying to figure out how you should do this and that. Nah, it doesn't work like that. So as you can see how smart this is. And let me show you the other one. I also stitched the other one. Let me just cut it so that we should have our final look of our breast cap. See how professional it looks? Looks so professional. And I'm going to attach this to my corset. I will show you. There is a video for the corset. If you want to see, you can check it, how to make a corset. This is our final product.